Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am a IT professional with 10 plus years of experience in data and reporting. In this tutorial, we will be understanding how to create a date table in Power BI desktop and what is the use of creating this date table. So what is the use of date table? So date table in Power BI generally a table, and basically these are the dimension table, and you can reference these tables in your model and analyze the data based on these dates. Also, they are also useful for time intelligence calculation purposes. By using this, it will generally help you to get a more precise data in your report or the KPI. In Power BI desktop, how you can create the date table? So creating a date table is nothing but creating a table, and this particular table will have date related information or time intelligence related information, and which is going to help you to do the calculations or present the data in your report very easily or in precise way. Okay, so now let's see how we can create a date table. Earlier in the table creation, the manual table creation or the custom table creation, we have done using enter data, but in this case we are going to create a table using this new table option, which is present under modeling tab, and it will be coming in modeling tab if you are in the report view, or if you are in the table view, this option will come in the home tab itself. Okay, or the table tools are same, so you can find that option from the table tool as well. So in the report view, I'll click on this new table, and from there you need to write some DAX queries over here. Okay, so since this is a date table, so what we are going to do, we are going to write a function, DAX function, which is related to date and time and the calendar. So the function name is calendar, and under this calendar function will take two arguments. You can see over here the start date and the end date. So start date we are going to enter in the date format, and in the date how it is going to take, it is going to take in the this format: year, month and day. So the year I am giving as 2020, month is 1, which is January, and day is 1, so 1st January 2020. So this is the start date. I am closing this, now giving a comma, and now it is asking for end date. So end date I am again using the date function, and inside that I will be providing the input. Okay, so year is 2024, month is 12, which is December, and day is 31st, so 31st December 2024. So this calendar will be created from 2020 1st January onward till 2024 31st of December. So I have written this function, and here you can see this commit or the tick mark. You need to click on that, and once you click on that, one table will be created with the name of table. So let me rename it, which will be date table, date, and I'm clicking on commit. So here you can see this date table is created, and in this table view you can see the field name is also date. Okay, because in the function, in the formula what we have written is the table name date is containing starting date of this one and ending date of this one, and we are using the field as date also. Okay, so this is the date. Okay, now one column is created based on each and every date, and if you want to see it over here, so this is from 1st January 2020 till 31st of December 2024. But since data are very huge, so it is not showing in this filter, and I'll be just clicking on cancel for now. Now let's focus on creating few more columns in this table so that you can use this table properly in your model. Okay, so now we will be adding more columns on this, and for that what we are going to do is we are going to giving an extra line on this, and we are going to write few more functions. First, what we are going to write, we are going to write a add column function. So this add column will allow you to add more columns in this formula. Okay, so first column is this one, and we are going to create more columns over here. Remember, entering will not help. If you are pressing the enter, it is not going to help. It is going to show this error or a warning. Okay, so you just need to press Alt from the keyboard and press enter. So new line will be created in over here. So now here you can add your new fields, like we are going to create a field with year. So now we have created one column over here. Let's check once, and before that let me close this parenthesis first, and let's see how the data looks like. So in the table view, if you come, you can see this new column has been created. Now let us create few more columns on this. So now we have added few more columns over here, which is nothing but the month number. To get the month from that particular month number, basically from that field, then we are going to get the month, and we have formatted that date field in mm format. That means we are going to get the month in the description. So this one we are going to get quarter. We have used quarter function. So day of the week, we have used the week day function, and to get the number of days, so we have used the day function. And this particular day 2 field, it is generally going to show the day, which is nothing but the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the descriptive format. And this is the last column which we have created is week number, which is going to show the number of week in that particular year. So now I'm clicking on commit, and now you can see the data. So now here you can see 1/1/2020, year is 2020, month number is 1, which is January, month in description is January, quarter is first quarter, day of the week, this is showing the which day it was in that particular week. So 1st January was, you can see this is a Wednesday, and the Wednesday is, if you are counting from January, so if you are counting from Sunday, so Sunday is the first day and Wednesday is the 4th day. So that's why it is showing as a 4th day of the week, which was 1st of January, and in this calendar year Wednesday was the first day. Okay, so that's why it is showing as the first day, and so on. If you scroll down over here, you can see for this 31st of January is Friday, this is 31st day, and you can see this date over here, and this is the 6th day of the week, which is nothing but the Friday is 6th, and 7th day is Saturday. So this is the calendar table. And one thing let's do over here, so you can see this particular field is having the date and timestamp format. So let's format it to the short date. So now you can see over here it is a short date format, and by doing that we have completed the date table creation in PowerBI desktop. I have already told earlier advantage of having the date table like this in your data model. You can build a report with more precise data. You can use some time intelligence functions, and using the time intelligence functions you can add those fields or the columns in this table, and you can use them in your report design. So now hope you are able to understand the use of the date table. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.